Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form using Formidable Forms. So you can create any type of forms, for example contact form, booking form and different type of other forms. So now let me go in my WordPress website dashboard and you can install a plugin. You can go from here as well as on the top left corner. Here you can see this one, plugins. Then click on add new plugin and you can upload the plugin file from here. So let me scroll down this one, then install it, and I'm installing 6.22 version of this plugin. Plugin is installed. Now simply click on activate plugin. So now you need to install a free plugin from the WordPress plugin library. Simply you can go and click on install button, and after that click on activate. So now we have installed free and pro version, both plugins. You can see these are the plugins. So now you can simply go from here, and also on the left side here you can see Formidable. Then simply you can go here and click on the forms. After that, if you want to add a new form, then you can go here, click on add new, and now you can select the templates. So for example, if you want to create a contact form, then you can use this template, and if you want to go with the blank form, then you can select this one. So let me select this template. Okay, now here you can see form is created, and now if you want to sort out fields, for example if you want to drag this field on the top of this one, then you can simply use this option, and after that click on three dots to see more options. So if you want to duplicate, then you can select this one, and if you want to delete, then you can use this one, and if you want to change the label, then you can go here on the left side. So for example, let me change the text. Here you can see this one, change. So you can make any field required. Then scroll down, and here you can see these are some advanced features. You can also add some placeholder text. For example, add a title. Then here you can see this one is the placeholder text. So now let me remove this field, and after that click on save button. Before saving the form, you can also preview your form. Then click on save button. So now form is updated. You can also check settings, actions and notifications. Scroll down, click here email notifications, scroll down, and here you can add your email. So after that click on save button, then click on embed. So now you can select the pages where you want to add, and also you can use this shortcode. So let me use this one, WordPress shortcode, as we are using WordPress platform. So now let's go and add a new page, contact form, Formidable form. Then scroll down, add here shortcode, then select the template, then click on publish button. Now let me copy this page link, and you can add anywhere. So now let me go here and fill the form. So let me show you how it works. So this is just for the practice. And after that, click on submit button. Now here you can see we got message that form is submitted. Now let's go back and again click on Formidable, then go to entries. Now here you can see a new entry is submitted. Simply you can go and view this, scroll down, so you can get all the details from here. You can directly print the entries. Also you can edit existing entries and you can duplicate and do many more.